Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to do split screen on Android. Here are some easy steps to do split screen on Android. First, open the first app you want to use. Start by launching one of the apps you want in split screen for example, TikTok. Open recent apps. Swipe up from the bottom or tap the Recent Apps button if using navigation buttons. Tap the app icon at the top. In the app preview, tap the icon of the first app. Select Split Screen. From the menu that appears, tap Split Screen or Open in Split Screen view. Choose the second app. Your first app moves to the top app. Now, select the second app from the recent apps list or app drawer. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.